Are you an entrepreneur that owns a company? Or having a small yet productive business? Are you stressed on computing a bunch of sales, taxes, and expenses? Don't worry. We got the solution. Introducing Botkeeping. It is an online software with an accounting system, payroll system, water refilling monitoring system, daily time record, purchase order system, and inventory system. All in one software. You heard me right. All those systems in one amazing software. A software with the sole purpose of increasing one's productivity to its highest. Starts at 500 pesos only per month. What are you waiting for? Call us now at 082-282-2713 or 0920-882-8513 if you're using mobile devices. You can also visit our website at www.rypacimarketingsolution.com. Botkeeping, providing convenience for a better business.